majestic and agile predator. Leopards are known for their distinctive spots and sleek coats. They're solitary animals in excellent climates and have exceptional night vision. Bears are large, carnivorous mammals with incredible strength and adaptability. There are several species, including polar bears, brown bears and black bears. They're omnivores with diets varying from berries to fish and even small mammals. Zebras are black and white striped equines native to Africa, known for their unique striping patterns and social behavior. The kings of the savannah, lions are social animals that live in prides. They're known for their powerful roars, majestic manes, and fierce hunting skills. Lionesses often work together to hunt prey, showcasing their coordinated teamwork. Horses are magnificent, intelligent, and social animals. They're known for their striking appearance, impressive strength, and graceful movements. Deer are agile mammals with large eyes and ears found in forests and grasslands. They feed on plants, fruits and leaves and are known for their impressive antlers. Tiger is a majestic big cat with distinctive stripes found in Asia's forests and grasslands. They're apex predators known for their strength and agility. Sheep are domesticated mammals with woolly coats often raised for their meat, milk, and wool. They're asocial animals living in flocks and are known for their gentle nature. Cat is a small carnivorous mammal with flexible body and sharp claws, often kept as pets. They are known for their agility, playfulness, and unique grooming habits. Cow is a large domesticated mammal with hooves and horns raised for their milk, meat, and leather. They're asocial animals living in herds and are known for their distinctive moves. Duck is a waterfowl with webbed feet and feathers found in ponds, lakes and rivers. They're known for their quacking sounds, swimming abilities, and distinctive waddling gait.